Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. Thank you for clicking on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you click the bell for notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. Okay, so this video is picking up from the last video, which I was using the Apogee Curlific texture treatment. So if you want to see that video, make sure you go and click right here. I'm gonna leave it in the cards, link it in the cards. And I also may leave it in the description box, I'm not sure. But I'm going to be using this As I Am leave-in conditioner, which I've used this years ago. And the Eco Clear Hold number 10 gel. And I like the tops that they have on now. Instead of having to twist it off, you just lift it up. I like that, okay. So it's not a gel that I use all the time, just every now and then. So that's why the shower looks like it's been used, because it has been used. It's like moist and humid over there because I just got out of the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this leave-in all over my hair. And in case you haven't watched that last video, my hair just came out of braids, cornrows, whatever you want to call them, from protective styling. I be protective styling with my wigs when I get tired of my hair. I can detangle with it. It's okay. I guess it's okay, nice. I'm not gonna say too much about it because I haven't used it consistently enough recently. So this is gonna be the quick way I do my hair. This is the quick way to do out of the shower, wash and go. I don't want my hair to dry up on me. No porosity hair can be a hot mess. So, or should I say dry mess? I usually go row by row, but what I'm gonna do is, because I want bigger hair, I'm gonna do 4 sections. Yeah. I'm gonna do 4 sections. I'm just taking my thumb finger and just going through my hair again, making sure it is detangled, which I know that it is, and double checking the ends. Excuse me. That's from that Apogee. So I'm gonna just take a big old glob, like, well, maybe not. Like that, and I'm gonna apply this for my hair like this, because I'm not going strand by strand, just getting a good amount on it. And that's it. It's the quick wash and go. I'm doing the prayer hand method. Yeah. See that? Prayer hand method. That's it. Boom. On to the front. Yeah. About that much of a glob again. Take it and rub it, and you gotta kind of like get like this. Yeah. You don't want to mix it up with the other hair, and just take it and take it on top of the crown area. And then the prayer hands going again. Slick it back into them edges and just keep praying. Keep praying. Pray to the side, pray to the front, pray to the back, and pray in the middle. There you go. Because like I said, I don't want no thin hair. I want it to kind of be big. Okay. Yeah. Pray. Pray in the front, pray in the back, pray down the side, and pray in the middle. And you can take that if you want to. You can just get those little backs, the little kitchen back there. But surprisingly, my hair in the back is not kitchen. My hair in the back of my nape is like my best hair. Like, I was like, if I could take my hair from the back and bring it to the front and all that, you won't be able to tell this curly girl nothing. Yeah. And there you go. And then you can take a little bit and just glaze this little poofy, this area here that like to get poofy. And that's it. And then you can take a little bit if you want to just smooth out the halo area. Let this dry and see what we're working with. Like my hair is, you can tell like I need to get all of this cut off. See how it's thick from the roots and then it's stop like right here and get thin. I'm not gonna do them with the brush. I'm gonna leave them alone for right now and just let them dry like this. I like that. That's nice. Okay, here is, excuse me, my allergies. I have been messing up all day. Please forgive these bootleg bangs of mine. And just look at that. This hair is just a hot mess. Like, you might as well just flick it down like that. Yeah, that looks better. Tuck them bangs behind the ears because they are a hot mess. But this is my dry hair. I have some shrinkage. I do, but not too bad. My hair is crunchy. Curls are popping. And my hair, even though it's like, it's weird, it's crunchy, but it feels good. It's not like a crunch. It's like a mushy crunch, like a moisturized crunch. I can't even explain it. I don't know if it's that curl texture treatment, the curlific apogee, but I'm gonna tell you that stuff had my nose, had my allergies acting up ever since. I'm gonna have to wear a nose mask next time I use it. But anyway, yes, the curls are there, the curls are popping, the curls are free, the curls feel good. I feel not good because my allergies are bothering me, but at least I look good, except for the watery eyes.